Grade 8 Computer Exam Revision, December 2025. Question number 1. Humans are the highest level of autonomous systems. True. Second question, the opposite one. Humans are the lowest level of autonomous systems. Lowest level, false. Painting has problems due to toxic chemicals. Yes. Robots are sent on space missions to gather samples. True. Robots are sent to fight aliens. False. Robots have many uses, shapes, size, and types. True. Medical robots perform precise surgeries. True. Medical robots are used because doctors are lazy. Lazy. False. Robot aircraft and boats used for rescue operations. True. Robotic toys are used for entertainment. Toys, entertainment. True. Consumer robots help with chores or fun. Consumers. True. Robot programming is a programming like you're teaching kids for writing. So robots, you program them as if they have no knowledge at all. So you be the ones who teach them, go left and right, up and down. True. MBlock configuration for Arduino is a drag and drop. True. Arduino Uno programming is similar to Scratch, the Arduino Uno or the MBlock. Yes, true. Drag and drop programming. We can program calculator in Arduino or Scratch in the MBlock. True. A 4x4 keypad has 44 keys. False. Because a 4x4 keypad has 16 keys. True. 4 times 4, 16. LCD has 2 rows for math and results. True. Inkscape can do everything graphic designers do. True. Health bar and Inkscape gives a useful tips. True. Robots performing dangerous rescue tasks. So this identification, what kind of robots are using or performing dangerous rescue tasks. So disaster response robots. These robots are for students in classrooms. So the clue is students, classroom. So meaning there's education, educational robots. Robots designed to entertain. So the keyword is to entertain. Entertainment robots, the robots that sings, that dances, that play violins or guitars. Robots that have manipulator arm and doing repetitive tasks. So like in the factories, industrial robots. This is used for physical rehab, enabling patients to walk. So it can help you to have exoskeleton, robotic exoskeleton. Robots assisting researchers. So the clue is research. Research robots. Robots allowing remote presence. So the clue is remote means you are away. Presence. So it's like video calling. So tele means remote. Telepresence. Robots. Robots that can work underwater. So the clue is underwater. Underwater robots. Robots doing major body operations, so like surgeon, so doctors, so medical robots. Beginner friendly starting point for robotics. So this is application for programming. So drag and drop programming. So what do you call the intersection of communication and aesthetics? Graphic design. What do you call the selection and sizing of typefaces? Typefaces. Typography. The symbolic. What do you call these welcoming shapes? The squares are tidy, but which symbol is like a welcoming shape? Oval. Who arranges media elements? Arranges, so people, graphic designer. Which application can also opens Photoshop or .psd? So among these three, which can open Photoshop is the Pixlr. Which one is like a CSS generator tools? So Visual CSS tool, CSS. What do you call a tiny graphics composed of tiny squares? Tiny squares graphics, pixel-based graphics. What do you call the graphics that is composed of mathematical equations or math-based graphics? Vector graphics. What do you call if this applications or images ends with .ai or the file extension is .eps? Vector graphics. While the basic one, when we take picture in our cameras, usually it's .jpg. So what else? What do you call these graphics? .bmp, .png. So those are pixel graphics. What do you call those small grids? It's grid of small pixels. Pixels. What do you call if we format containing vectors plus bitmap? Metafiles. What do you call an open source Illustrator alternative? Inkscape. What do you call in Inkscape? You will see this toolbar on the left. Two toolbars. Yes. What do you call this? So it's like rectangles or squares toolbar. What do you call this toolbar? It's circular. So circle toolbar or ellipses. Ellipses. There's an arrow, so it's like a mouse pointer. So what do you call this toolbar? It's a select tool, select or transform. What do you call this toolbar? So this is edit paths by nodes. And what do you call this toolbar? That look like a Rubik's Cube, 3D, create 3D boxes. What does opacity means? Opacity means transparency. It's like a plastic cover. Why is graphic design important? So again, just write an answer about graphic designing. Don't leave this question unanswered because I will not check your grammar. I will not check your spelling as long as you tell something about graphic design. So graphic designs, it attracts attention and improves communication. What are the fields of technology people benefit from? So manufacturing, IT, astronomy, transportation, and others. Education also. Give 5 useful types of robots. So I think there are 18 types of robots or 20 types of robots that we studied, and there's more. So you just give 5. So examples: medical, mobile, drone, aircraft, educational. Okay. So any 5. This is just sample answer. So thank you. Practice more and get a great score in the exam. Good morning.